Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of new makeup for you, and I have collected these things over several Ipsy bags, so I'm excited to just jump right in and get started. So I don't have a new brow product, so I just quickly did my brows off of camera. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit because you're a little far. For primer today, I'm gonna be using the Your Skin But Better primer, and this one's oil-free by It Cosmetics. I couldn't remember if I had used this before or not, so we're just gonna use it again. It actually felt really nice as a primer. For foundation, we have the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and I for a very long time was looking for a really sheer foundation that had SPF in it, and honestly this is the closest I've gotten so far, and honestly I've heard that it's very intense coverage, so we're gonna go in with our sponge and hope that it sheers out a bit. Even with the sponge, it's pretty good coverage, I can say. This is definitely more like a medium coverage foundation, but I do like the finish of it. Has a little bit of that nice glow to it, as you can see on my face, so it's a little shiny. Yeah, I actually really like this foundation. 2 for 2 so far, and I have that in the shade Deep 540N, in case you were curious. I'm gonna go in with the Item Beauty, and this is the Air Hug Concealer in the shade Dark Warm Golden. This blended out really nicely. Actually goes really nice with this foundation too. I feel like the camera is making me look a little warm. Hopefully I don't look super orange for you guys. But yeah, that was a nice concealer. From YC Collection, I have their loose setting powder. I think it's in the shade 121. Okay, I literally do not know how to open this. Like, you can see the little holes there, but there's no sticker, and like, I feel like if I pop off the cap, there's not gonna be any holes. Okay, the sticker is so difficult to see, but it is there. I like to powder my whole face, and then I'll just powder my nose a little extra because that's where I have most of my oils. Okay, that's fine. I feel like in the camera, my face still has like a lot of shine coming through it from the foundation. In real life, I don't really see it. I look pretty mattified. That was okay. I'm not crazy about loose setting powders. I really have to love them in order to want to keep them. For blush today, I have one from the brand Shaina B Miami. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, you can see it right here, and I will link it below. And this is in the shade Brickelle. I'm just gonna take my blush brush. Looks very pink. I don't want to put too much on because can't go back. Looks like I put nothing on. Let me put a little bit more on. Go in a little heavier handed. I don't know, I feel like it's mostly glitter in that. And it's a little bit cooler than what I personally like. I don't know. I'm not super in love. I'm just gonna quickly contour. I don't have a new contour to show you guys, so I'm just gonna go in with my regular Morphe Showmance. Moving on to eyes, I have a few products. I have the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo in Rose Gold and Ivory. Mind you, let me show you what it's called, Rose Gold and Ivory, and this does not look rose gold and ivory to me. It looks bronze and brown, so it's a super odd name. From Bella on Argent, I have an eyeshadow duo, again another brown and gold, and this one is in Cine and Take Two. From Violet Voss, I have the eyeshadow in Nude Sparks. And from Ditto Galaxy Shade, I have the shade Galaxy Shade. Okay. Which looks like this. Oh, it's in the shade Mars. I'm just going to do a really simple look and then I will tell you my thoughts on all the eyeshadows afterwards. Okay, and that completes this like really simple eye look. So this palette I thought was good. It was a little bit basic, not much excitement to it. The Nude Sparks, I thought that was like a really nice brown, gave a lot of warmth to the eyes. Our Belle on Argent palette, this gold was actually way more reflective. I put that in my inner corners. It's actually more reflective than the Mars eyeshadow, but it does have a little bit of fallout, but a good little gold to have on hand. The brown was pretty basic. And this gold I put all over the eyelids. This is the Galaxy shade Mars eyeshadow. I think it looks nice. It's just, that's it. I think it's nice. It's not bad, it's not great. I don't think it packed as much of a punch as the inner corner eyeshadow did. And it did have a little bit of fallout. For mascara, I have the Benefit There Real Magnetic Mascara, and I feel like this eye look really needs a little bit of mascara, and I think I need to fix this brow. It's got a little lost when I did my foundation. So the wand on this mascara is one of those hard fiber wands, which are really good for lengthening and keeping the lashes from not clumping together. So I'm excited to see how this is. I find with wands like this, it's usually good for lengthening and separating, but not necessarily volume. And of course, you don't want to poke yourself in the eye with a wand like this because it will hurt. Oh, I really like that. Oh my gosh, look at the difference it made from this eye compared to this eye. It almost looks like I have liner on this eye as well, which is really cool. I think mascara is one of my favorite products because it just like brings a look together. Okay, I love that mascara. That looks great. Okay, moving on. All that's left are lips. And for lips, I have the, oh my gosh, it's like matte black writing on matte black packaging, so it's a little hard to see. It's the Karmela Lipstick in the shade Bitten. I love that shade. So pretty. It smells good. It smells minty. I take it back. I don't love the shade. No, never mind, I take it back. I do not like this shade. It's a little too pink for me. Okay, instead I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Toasted. Still a very bright pink, but not like that one. That completes this makeup look. So all of the base products I really like, the primer, the foundation, the concealer. The eyeshadows, I thought they all were okay. Nothing really jumped out other than that inner corner gold from Belle on Argent. And blush was not really my jam. And the lips were definitely not my jam. But the mascara I loved a lot. If you guys like seeing these makeup tutorials of a full face of new products, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every single week. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and until next time guys, bye!